G'day guys, Ninja. We've got Jack here today.
G'day guys.
Jack's got a little bit of a tight hip. Can you tell us about that and do a little test? Show us how you...
Yeah. I've just been finding, like, particularly things like getting up after I've been sitting down for a while when I'm studying, or kind of getting up in the morning, getting out of the car, just my right hip's been a little bit catchy. I tend to sit cross-legged quite often as well, and I've noticed like my left leg I can go into pretty easily, but when I go into the right one, it just kind of gets a bit stuck around there. I just can't get it to rotate as well, and I just feel that tension through my hip, kind of right up against my tailbone. It's a little bit tight, feels like it could use a little bit of a release. So.
All right, man, cool. Let's do it.
Cool.
Jump on.
Fix me up.
Yeah, I will. All right, so let's go to town on this glute of yours, bro.
Get into it, man.
Yeah, man.
Shoulders boss.
I'm gonna do a little warm up because you did a little warm up on me, so I'll be nice. I'll do a little warm up on you.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Just gonna go straight to find these tendons that are coming off the pelvis here, and I'm gonna go on that line down towards the...
Oh, that's already spicy.
It's got a bit of spice.
Yeah.
Old Spice.
Yep.
So yeah, you warm up stroke when you're just trying to identify what's going on. Still doing work. It's still clearing, melting, and bringing awareness. You know, it's doing all that kind of stuff. So it's just really important to have going nice and slow, but have certainty about what you're doing, and that's what, you know, body language conveys so many more messages than what we realise. So if you're kind of not confident and you're poking around and things like that, it doesn't give the right message across, and it just doesn't let the person trust you and let you in. So we're really kind of aware of that. So yeah, just having that, you know, patience, confidence, just to hold things sometimes, you know, that's kind of what people need, and it gives the body time to respond.
Yeah, it's a great line you got there too, man. That's definitely hitting all the right spots.
Yeah. So yeah, just going at your pace, man.
Yeah, it's really good, man. I can feel that kind of radiating all the way down through the rest of my glute, into my hammy a bit. Yep. Into those really deep muscles around my around the head of the femur and stuff.
Yep. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, it's really good. Peeling back the layers.
Yeah, you just gotta. Yeah, you just don't know. I thought I was just gonna cruise through here and just do a 20-second warm up stroke or something like that. But yeah, it's
already
ended up being different.
Fuck, that's a good one.
Yeah, you go with the flow, eh? You go with what
you find, right?
What you find, yeah.
Sometimes you dig up treasure quicker than you think you will.
Yeah, gems are on the surface.
100%.
So yeah, just gonna keep going through here, man. So you know these spots. Mates have been tracking around with you for a while, have they?
Yep, certainly feels like it. Far out.
Alright. Just about as far as I can go with that pity form.
That's good though, man. Yeah, it feels like you're kind of coming to the end of it as well.
Yeah. Just thinking, are you lying on your microphone?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe pull it out and put it here and then you can talk. And I'll go with the elbow. Getting a good purchase under that tendon there.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty potent there.
Plenty. I'll go for the back off just that fraction, but still stay engaged, and then give you a body time to accept this. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, it's good stuff, man.
Yeah. So I can kind of explore a few angles on that too, like to give it a little scoop. So yeah, so just jamming it right up into there. I can kind of encourage it down and out a bit too. And then get back on the rail. Probably doesn't look like anything to watch, but Jack would be feeling the changes.
100%, man. Yeah, it's very different. It's definitely feeling it more when I can feel you kind of angling up towards the sacrum.
Yeah. So yeah, trying to, stay, when I really want to bear in.
Yeah, that's the one.
And up. Then kind of an intuitive feeling, I need to give me a little break. I'm kind of stay connected still, but then change the angle and then kind of encourage it down away from where it's kind of jammed. Then kind of drop again, bear into it more. So it's kind of like you oscillate, doing these kind of things. So you're kind of changing angles, and that kind of just helps to ease it out, encourage it out from where it's in. But if it's kind of jammed right up underneath that lip, and that's where you need to go to melt, because that's where the organ is. Yeah, we can kind of scoop it out.
Yeah, man.
And you get through.
Yeah, you can really feel it. It feels like you're really kind of connecting into those tendons, that are like kind of jammed right up against the sacrum there.
Yeah. Just taking your time. Kind of feels like the snail's starting to move a little bit now. It's going down the track, and we'll get there'll be another speed hunt down here, I'm sure, and that's where it'll slow us down. So I'm just going through a bit.
Oh yeah, that's a good one right there, man. Yeah, you just like rolled onto something really nice there.
Yeah, so I'll hold that for a bit. Then he's off, and then I can kind of bear in a bit deeper by dropping. Love treating in bare feet. Really feels like I've got a lot more control as well.
Oh man, you can't do it any other way. I don't know how anyone stays gripped to the ground otherwise.
Yeah.
You just slide all over the place without it.
Especially on the floorboards. It's
oh man, yeah, 100%.
And carpets can be slippery in your bare feet, but yeah, you learn how to push off walls and to kind of get really good traction. Yeah, the last thing you want to do is be slipping, and it's just you want to be sure. So yeah, how's it going, bro?
Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah, you can probably take it down a little bit further as well. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one.
It's the bullseye.
That's it. Yeah, it feels like that kind of pushing your way down along the sacrum.
Yeah.
Towards the sit bones. That's where it's all happening.
Yeah. We just keep on going there.
Yep.
Just try and speed up a little bit, just for time's sake.
Oh, good, man. It's great.
Yeah.
Doesn't necessarily fit. It actually doesn't feel like it needs to. It feels like it needs more of that kind of dredge through the middle rather than kind of really pin and hold. Yeah, just like a real kind of getting it open. Might even, I can even do a little bit of
active.
Yeah, that really kind of opens it up and turns it up a notch.
In different aspects of the same tendon.
Yep.
So you can kind of be involved, help me be a tool for your freedom,
Yeah, 100%.
You kind of know you're the expert on you.
Yeah.
You kind of, exaggerate or to your liking, to where you're that particular point in time, where that tendon is, what it needs. You can kind of help govern that. Yeah, and I feel like I'm kind of moving through.
Yeah.
So we'll move through a bit, hit some new, fresh territory, which stings a bit. Then that kind of, as you start to work it, and you know that it's not a bad kind of sensation, and you can relax into it and let that sort of spot melt. Keep on going. And it's amazing the results you can get from doing 1 or 2 really good strokes through an area.
Yeah.
Well, like, a lot of massages you have like, it's like you're probably doing, 50 strokes a minute or something, each stroke is, a second or 2 seconds or something like that. So it's minutes for one stroke.
Yeah.
Rather than seconds, so it's
such a different thing.
Yeah, it gives the body a chance to actually change.
Yeah.
So putting that really good imprint, stretch into that fascial sheets. You can have more permanent changes and just so much better results. Golgi tendon organ, you know about Golgi tendon organs a bit, Jack?
Oh yeah, man. Love the Golgis.
Love your Golgis.
Love me Golgis.
Yeah, that's where the programming bit is, isn't it, I think? So.
That's it, man. That's where the switch off for the tension switch off mechanism is.
Yeah.
Got to turn it up and get them firing up loud enough to switch that quick twitch spindle response that kind of makes everything tighten up.
Yeah.
To switch off.
How we doing, bro? This might be the last little one we'll do.
It's good, man.
Just for the video's sake.
Oh, he's getting it.
Yeah, done this before, bro.
Once or twice.
Once or twice. Over the last 25 years. Oh. So yeah. But for me, this feels quite comfortable, and I'm just got this leg, arm in good solid position. I can kind of just intuitively just wiggle and wobble and angle into different spots.
That's getting a bit nervy, man.
Yeah. I'm just going to blunt it a little bit, but still stay engaged.
Yeah, that's better. That's good.
Yeah, and I think we're just about through. We're going to say we're at the other end of that tunnel. Yeah, all right, and I'm just going to sink out nice and slow as well. Can see the redness on there. That's the line that we went down. Follow that sacrum. We might, maybe get your pants back on, man.
All right.
So how you feeling? Yeah, test it if you can, please, man.
Oh mate, look at that. I'm going almost all the way to the other side. So that's there. And now I'm there as well.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks heaps, man. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Feels a lot better. Fuck yeah.
Cool.
Fixed.
Yeah, if you want to get some of this work, come and see one of us. We'll help you out.
We'll get it done.
Done.